Hi! In front of me is ALCATEL 1 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto rotation on this smartphone. Start by opening tab menu. Now look for auto rotate icon and click on it. As you can see, mine is blue. That means that auto rotation is on. In order to turn it off, just click on the same shortcut. You can also go into devices settings, scroll down just a bit and click on display section. Now scroll down again and click on this switcher next to auto rotate screen. If the switcher is gray, that means that auto rotation is off. In order to turn it on, just click on it again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!